BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachuti and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 126 of season 3. Today's word is furnish. Furnish means to provide or supply something as needed, to put furniture in a place. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word furnish. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Furnish is spelled as Furnish. The word furnish means to provide or supply something as needed, to put furniture in a place. For example, the Education Ministry asked all schools to furnish data related to availability of computers in respective schools. An eminent builder advertised for sale of flats furnished with latest Italian furniture. Listen carefully how we can use the word furnish in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. The tax authorities had several objections in the GST return filed by Messrs. Gada Electronics. Therefore, they asked the company to furnish additional information about transactions under scrutiny. Example number 2 of 8. Thousands of applicants applied for the post of an officer in a nationalized bank. However, several candidates were rejected because they did not furnish accurate personal information in the form. Example number 3 of 8. A large number of patients, including senior citizens, would visit the diagnostic center each day. Therefore, the interior designer furnished the center in such a way that it was very convenient for all. Moving on to example number 4 of 8. The media reported that confidential information about users was leaked through an online app. The government took note of this and asked the company to furnish all details about the user database. Imagine what all you can learn once you enroll with BM English Speaking Institute. English phrases and idioms, business English, sentence structure. Speak English fluently and confidently. Effective communication skills, email drafting courses, interview and GD success training. To download this script, visit podcast section of our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Garima acted in advertisements and TV shows for a decade. Throughout this period, she saved money and bought a flat at an affluent locality. However, she was short of funds and she decided to furnish the flat after a few months. Example number 6 of 8. The sales review meeting of Sheetal Dairy Products was held at Goa. The GM sales asked his team to furnish product-wise sales data. He then combined all the data in a single presentation to project the future growth of the company. Moving on to example number 7 of 8. The judge decided to give one last chance to the accused to defend himself. However, the defense lawyer was unable to furnish any additional information and hence the judge decided to announce the verdict, which means decision. Now let us understand example number 8 of 8. The cyclone hit the coast and caused a great destruction. The government declared an emergency and asked its suppliers to furnish food grains to the affected area. Today we learnt the word furnish, which means to provide or supply something as needed, or to put furniture in a place. Can you frame 3 sentences with furnish and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to enrich your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 126 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be publishing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.